Hi everyone, it's Phil here. Now there's one thing I've noticed time and time again, is that most workouts use traditional bodyweight cardio exercises. For example, jumping jacks, burpees, and mountain climbers as prime examples. Now, these exercises are fantastic. However, for some people, these exercises are either too high impact for their joints, unsuitable for them due to pelvic floor issues or something along those lines, or they're just either too advanced and intense. Now the first thing you can obviously do is to modify the exercise into its low impact alternative or the easier alternative of the exercise, so we just regress the exercise. However, in some cases you might simply just want to change that exercise for a low impact exercise. Now the problem lies in if you don't know any low impact exercises that you can change it with. So that is where this video comes in and where I'm going to help you out today. So I'm going to show you some low impact cardio exercises that you can do anywhere, anytime. So let's go and check them out right now. So there you have it. These are low impact exercises that you can begin using from today. So try them out and see which ones are the best for you. Now it is also important to note that if you need low impact exercises and you really want to get your heart rate up, you can do other cardio machines. For example, you can use an exercise bike, the rower, cross trainer, swimming, aqua aerobics, and potentially a treadmill using the incline, depending on the reason that you need low impact exercises. So don't be put off if an exercise comes up in a workout that you can't do. Simply modify it or change it into a low impact exercise. If you like this video and you want more, you know what to do. Hit that notification bell, subscribe and like, and you're gonna get a whole lot more. However, if you want to take away all of the guesswork and have everything mapped out for you, come to philhartson.com, where you'll find my exercise programs, including at-home programs or gym programs, meal plans, including 4-week healthy eating meal plans, recipe books with over 380 healthy eating recipes, and a whole lot more. You'll have everything you need to achieve your health and fitness goals. So thank you for watching and see you next time.